You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 2400.069. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify exponents and square roots. 10 to the power of -2 equals 0.01. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 6.91 times 0.01 equals 0.069. Simplify exponents and square roots. 10 to the power of 3 equals 1000. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 2.4 times 1000 equals 2400. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 0.069 plus 2400 equals 2400.069. And so the final result is 2400.069.